RV Designer T800 Replacement FIC Key Blank. For use with locks that require a T800 replacement key. Replacement hardware for RVs. Nice keys. These are a bit pricey, but compared to the ones from the locksmith, these work way smoother in the lock. Don't know why. Both were cut by the same locksmith. OEM Quality. Excellent quality key blank. Brought it over to a locksmith who copied a key for me. As good as the factory original. Great purchase for a camper spare key. Bought a camper that only came with one key, and all of the dealers said they didn't have spare keys, and all of the key cutting places said they couldn't help us BC they didn't have the right blank key. Took a chance on ordering these and it worked perfectly. Took them to a key cutting place with our one key we had and was able to have it cut, and it works perfectly in our camper door now.